We have nothing to fear, even fear itself has been defeated now, they say. But the sorrow is that you'll never know, my love. It doesn't stop, it never ends, and now the night is closing in when we have victory, a famous victory in our sight. So we drink ourselves stupid in the undergrowth. We drink ourselves stupid on the tennis court that's overgrown in the private grounds of the crumbling house your parents own. When we have victory, a famous victory in our sight. Stolen wine in the afternoon and a thin white dress that the sun shines through. And maybe this is what skin is for. A secret look in a month of Sundays, private schools, ceremonies, never let you know, never let it show that I breathe the air when you walk by. It's whiter than my heart is white. It's a secret thing, just your breath and the cold dark air. Spend the whole night on the lawn beside you. Call this love if you want me to. And we have victory, a famous victory, I know. Paris or London, build a cottage on a Scottish island and lie there. Feel the waves attack the shore. Feel the world press on our walls, but we're not really there anymore. And this is what our lips are for. Victory, a famous victory in our sight. My heart is white, and this is what our skin is for. Spend the whole night on a lawn beside you. Call this love if you want me to. And we have victory, a famous victory.